Hey everyone, Sarah here today, and I am doing another layout with Summer Lovin. And I really love the papers and stuff in this kit. I actually pulled some dies from my stash and used those. So there'll be some die cutting or things that I have die cut used on the layout from the papers and stuff from the kit. I also decided to pull out a couple more of my border punches. I'm only going to end up using one on this layout, but I just wanted a little bit there. I know I punched the entire 12 by 12 sheet of paper, but I'm only going to use a small portion of it to the right of my photos. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that down here. To be 100% honest, this layout went so fast. I really think that's because I went ahead and did the die cutting before I got on camera, because I had drawn up a little sketch, and I've said that before. It's something that I like to do. It kind of makes things go a bit faster, and it's not really the fast part that gets me. It's the fact that when I do have the crafty time, that means I actually get to do more. And so I enjoy that. Anyways, I'm going ahead and adhering some of these down already. And the thing that I am not paying attention to here in a second, or did I hear? Yep. Is that I still have not stuck that big floral piece of paper that's on the bottom half. I haven't stuck that down, but I'm going to go ahead and stick these photos down, pop the photo up on some 3D foam there. I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of that and stick it down as well. And then I'll realize that, hey, I never stuck that one down at the bottom. So I'll have to try to fix that as well. I just realized it, if you didn't notice with the hand. And so I'm pulling them back and using some of my tape runner there to go ahead and get that stuck down. Here are the pieces that I cut out. It's, some of that green is the back side of a Simple Stories paper. I'm trying to pull it out right now. It's the one, it's got the orange flowers, or the peachy flowers on the other side. It's the Summer Snapshots is what it's called. And so I cut those green ones out of that. And then I also did pull some vellum from my stash. I actually think it's from a past Mercy Tiara kit. But I pulled that vellum from my stash, and I'm going ahead and adding them here and there. It just adds a little more to it, a little more dimension, because as always, I only glue things down at the very ends. And so they're kind of moving freely around the layout. So I'm just going to try to get everything where I want it right now. And then I'll grab my glue and come in and start placing, a little bit of glue here and there, just a couple dots, just so that they'll stay where I want them to. Because other than that, it doesn't really matter to me. I like the fact that they stick up. And then I'm going to go ahead and start grabbing some of I think I go for the 12 by 12 sticker sheet that comes in the kit after I get a drink of coffee, of course. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to pull the rainbow words. I love the rainbow words, and it just says lovely day. I mean, my girls are having a blast. This merry-go-round that they're on, I've never seen one like it. It's hilarious. But it's up off the ground, and it's like the bottom is all cushy, and then it's got these ropes that they can hold on to, and it goes from the top to the bottom. It's weird, but they absolutely loved this. And so I got pictures while they were playing on it. I went ahead and grabbed those butterflies. I love that it's got the cute little dotted tails with them. And I added those. And then Days Spent in the Sun is the little banner that I put at the bottom of the photo there. The one up top of Lovely Day says vacay all day, because we were on vacation when I did that, when I took the pictures. And then I went ahead and grabbed this just to add a little something down there below the photo as well. There's just a lot of color going on down there, a lot of patterns. So I just wanted to add a little something. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab the gorgeous shaker sequence words, and go ahead and add some here and there around the layout. And that's what I'm doing right now. And then I will go ahead and adhere them down. I always seem to drop things. And a minute ago, I think I already did it. But yeah, I got glue on my desk at one point and kind of scrubbed it up a little bit. Only used my fingers, so I had to go back later and fix it again. But it's all good. It just seems to accumulate on the top of my desk to the point of I have to scrub so that I don't have it all over. I went ahead and grabbed the Simple Stories decorative brads and added a couple to my layout. And I'm pretty sure that finishes up this layout for me. Like I said, really fast, really simple, but it was fun for me and I got to document some great memories. And if you enjoyed this, please remember to like and subscribe so you're notified when I upload again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.